Hi, I'm Kirk Beutke, Project Manager with Pepper Construction at Hinsdale Central High School, bringing you this week's construction update. Starting with the Phase 1 pool project, the exterior metal panels started installation this week. In the pool, tile in the pool vessel is nearing completion with installation of the gutter tile. The last CMU chase walls are being completed, which will allow the construction opening in the side of the building to be closed up. Overhead, we are installing the large supply air duct and pool light track. Moving over to Phase 2, starting at stadium bleachers, we are installing rebar in the bleacher foundation pad and will be pouring the concrete pad in the next few days. The stadium ticket booth foundations are complete and ready to start building walls. At the junior varsity baseball field, we are completing the grading for the storm retention pond in the outfield. The landscaping and the new outfield fence will follow in the coming weeks. In the classrooms, demolition is complete, walls are being patched and prepped, and primer has begun. The overhead electrical is nearing completion, which will allow the new ceilings to begin soon. At the special education remodel, in-wall rough-in is complete and drywall has been hung. We will be taping the drywall in the next week and begin installing the finishes, casework, and final trim for these spaces. At the student services addition, the last of the concrete foundations were poured. The structural masonry walls, including the stairwell and elevator shaft, are nearing completion. At the fine arts area, demolition on the inside is nearing completion. The new doors at the existing music rooms are underway. Outside at the fine arts addition, mass building demolition has been completed. Excavation for the foundation and the lower level fitness room has been completed. The new concrete foundation and structural CMU walls will be starting soon. Thank you for tuning in to this week's construction update. See you next time.